What's happening, guys? It's Mr. London Plumber and we're back for a day in your life with me, Mr. London Plumber. Make sure you're shared, liked and subscribed to the channel because I'm trying to grow this channel with more content. This is part 3. Let's get straight into it. You always find interesting things in people's lofts, like magazines or stamp books who've never been touched before. So we need to do today, our task is to drain down this tank and cut out all other existing pipe work. This is a cold water storage tank, so everything will be fed off the mains now. So it's giving our customer a lot more space with their loft, and now they can use it for whatever they may please. So let's drain down. I haven't got a magic pump, so we're going to be doing it the old school way. So I'm not going to talk much because this video is purposely made for you guys. Check out the banter between me and my uncle at the end of the video and stay around to the end. I'll see you on the other side. So I'm just getting the pipe work out from underneath there and going to take this tank out. So this tank is 50 gallons. I don't know if you guys can see that, that's the water line there. So that's the size of this tank, if anyone was asking, or you thought of wondering. Yep. Got to go down there and cut some pipes. So stay there. And let's get cutting. Let's get cutting. We're back. So let's get the rest of this pipe work out. Alright, got some more cutting to do. Tight spaces, I've been using these ratchet cutters from Ox Tools. Find it's been quite easy. Not had any problems with any of them really. Blade still stays nice and sharp. Had it for about a year. Happy days. This one's got to come out as well. So cut one more bit of pipe down there, and then it's just this bit, and then we're done. So I only needed a couple of tools for this bit because I'm just ripping out basically. So I'm just taking the lagging off the pipe work, throwing it down while working, so I can just tidy that up when I get down. And the bits of copper, you know what's happening with them. New trainers! Yeah, just stripping out, innit? You know what's up. When you gotta strip out. So some of this old 22 is gonna be worth something because it's heavier than our normal traditional copper tube, which we do use now. Same grade, but was just made very thicker. So if you work on these old school houses, you know what I mean. It's good. your cutters know when you've been cutting into some of that, because just extra couple more turns to get that bad boy off. So let's take all this slagging off now. Lovely work what someone else done, but this is now going to be recycled. Don't try and do that at home, that was a bit of 22, you saw that. I'm gonna get on with the rest of this tidying up, guys. Well, stripping, not literally, but after I finish that, I'll come back, give you a little update, show you what it's like, see if I've got the tank out yet. This is where we're at, nice and clean. Buckets there. That's how you empty the tank. Leg up! Kuji, go. Yeah, I was going to cut it off, but I dropped them down to you already, innit? I can just cut it right at that point. Yeah. Good thinking, Batman. That's why there's always an old Rasta mouse and a young Rasta mouse.
The young ones are too...
I love a woman too much.
Get things done and don't see the logic behind things.
So now I can't hold it against it on the other side, that's why.
No, you hold the ball well.
Yeah, I tried to, spinning with my hand. So the nut isn't done up close enough, but now I'm just gonna cut it. No, I'll bring them back for Christmas.
Yeah. You're looking for the thing this morning, can't find it. Oh. So I had to be home for 2 nights.
You got to just think about it. Sometimes your tools have to get climatised to the outside. Ready? I think I'm going to do it now. So.
If you go up there and then pass it down to me.
Alright then.
Yeah.
Alright, cool. You ready?
Yeah.
At this part of the video, I always want to ask you guys to make sure you're subscribed, because if you've watched this long, it just helps if you hit that button. Remember, it's all about supporting the channel. Appreciate you guys for watching. Got it?
Yeah, got it.
You sure?
Yeah, let go.
Alright, I'm letting go now.
Yeah.
Alright. Made it, Papa. Nice. Nice. And then say my boys, nice.